Mino Gigajabe, good morning. Welcome back to Quitting Weed by Michael Lyons. Bunitun Bushko Bijige. Bunitun Bushko Bijige. In Ojibwe, to say quitting weed, you'd say Bunitun, quitting, Bushko Bijige. Weed, quitting weed. And to start things off this morning, I'd like to read a poem. This is for anybody who's lost a pet recently, or a long time ago. This is called Tribute to a Best Friend. Sunlight streams through window pane onto a spot on the floor. Then I remember. It's where you used to lie, but now you are no more. Our feet walk down a hall of carpet, and muted echoes sound. Then I remember. It's where your paws would joyously abound. A voice is heard along the road and up beyond the hill, and then I remember. Can't be yours. Your golden voice is still. But I'll take that vacant spot of floor, an empty muted hall, and lay them with the absent voice, an unused dish along the wall. I'll wrap these treasured memories in a blanket of my love and keep them for my best friend. Until we meet above. Tribute to a best friend. I get choked up. I've been meaning to do an episode of Quitting Weed where I talk about the connection of grief, OJIBWE, grief and addiction. You know, some people think us potheads are just lazy pleasure seekers. Oh, I'm going to go smoke some pot because I want to get all pieced out, man. No. I think for a lot of us, what it is, there's sadness, there's loss. And smoking weed is a medicine. It's just a salve. Not that kind of salves. It's like if you have a burn and you put some lotion on it. And I think eventually, if you're lucky, if you're wise or whatever, if you're blessed, you process your grief, you get through it, you heal. Grief is everything. It's spiritual, it's physiological, it's emotional, it's all of it. When you lose someone, especially a pet, the pain of the loss, with pets especially, the thing about people is like, we're all so complicated. And you lose your grandma, and yeah, it's sad. But there was also a whole history and mixed feelings and maybe some fights that were never, settled, or maybe it was a huge inconvenience in your life caring for somebody old, and there's a little part of you that's relieved when they finally pass away because, you can get on with your life. With a pet, there's none of that. Your relationship with your pet is pure. It was nothing but love and acceptance. And so when they start their journey, it can be especially painful and especially hard to process because people also don't care. You know, your wife dies and everybody comes out of the woodwork to, you know, give you hot dishes and whatever. But if your dog dies, people are like, oh, you know, they might hear about, oh, sorry to hear about your dog. Hey, you know what else? You know, they think, because some people are like farmers and stuff and they don't get it. Yeah, animals die all the time. You know, are you going to eat your dog? You know, no. Anyway. So this morning, that's been on my mind a little bit. Grief. Alright. Let's leave it there. Miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. I do appreciate it. My name is Michael Lyons, and you've been watching Quitting Weed. Bunatun. Boshko BJK. Let me see. Heartbeat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. Stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting